It's like 10 degrees below zero out this motherfucker.
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
And I'm cold.
I'm cold.
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
Cause it's cold. And I'm cold.
I'm
Cause
cold.
it's cold. It's so cold in the streets.
Yes, sir.
It's so cold anywhere that you go. Somebody take me to another place. A place where it ain't so cold.
Why?
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
And I'm cold.
I'm cold.
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
Cause it's cold.
It's cold.
Cause it's cold. And I'm cold.
Check.
Cause it's
My
cold.
mama with my grandmama now. I wonder what they saying when they looking down. Wonder if I made them proud. I made it this far, I wonder if that made them smile. I took something so well and I made it mad. But now people taking my kindness for a weakness. Talking shit about me like I ain't one of the deepest. Like I ain't connected to them niggas with them sweepers. That'd be happy to introduce fools to the Grim Reaper. You think you know me cause you see me on a website? Well did you know I'm in some drama almost every night? I never said to be a fucking celebrity, so I don't know what people think give them the right to mess with me. Feeling like they testing me, getting ready to lose control. Mama would've said use music and suits